10 fuel myths that are costing you money. Stop believing them. You've probably heard fuel-saving tips from friends, unknown drivers, or so-called experts on the internet. From magical gas-saving gadgets to the myth of better fuel efficiency, the world is full of fuel myths that are draining your wallet. In this video, we're debunking 10 of the dumbest fuel myths people still fall for. And one of them? It's probably costing you money every time you fill up. Buckle up, we're about to separate fact from fiction. Myth number 10. Turning off the AC saves gas. Many believe that shutting off the AC boosts fuel economy, but that's not entirely true. Modern AC systems are surprisingly efficient and have minimal impact on fuel consumption. What is the real problem? Rolling down your windows at high speeds increases aerodynamic drag, forcing your engine to work harder. On city roads, this isn't a huge issue, but on highways, open windows can actually burn more fuel than AC. The best choice? Use your AC instead of open windows at higher speeds. It keeps you cool without costing extra fuel. Myth number 9. Manual transmissions always save fuel. Once upon a time, manual cars were more fuel efficient. But not anymore. Modern automatics use CVT, continuously variable transmissions, and dual clutch systems that optimize fuel usage better than most manual drivers can. Many automatic cars now outperform stick shifts in efficiency. Bottom line, if you love the feeling of driving stick, go for it. But don't assume it's saving you fuel. Technology has changed the game. Myth number 8. Cruise control saves the most fuel. Cruise control is great on flat highways because it keeps speed steady. But on hills?
Not so much.
The problem? On inclines, cruise control tries to maintain speed, forcing the engine to work harder and burn extra fuel. A smart driver eases off the throttle uphill and coasts downhill, using less fuel than cruise control ever could. Pro tip: use cruise control on flat roads. On hilly terrain, manual control is more efficient. Finding these tips useful? Hit the subscribe button. Let's bust more myths. Myth number 7. Topping off the tank gets you more fuel. It feels satisfying to squeeze in extra gas after the pump clicks off, but it's a terrible idea. Because the extra fuel doesn't go into your tank, it either spills out or gets sucked back into the pump. Overfilling damages your car's vapor recovery system, reducing efficiency. Gasoline expands in heat, meaning excess fuel can leak out and even damage your paint job. When the pump stops, stop. Overfilling wastes money and can harm your car. Myth number 6. Premium fuel cleans your engine and boosts performance. Premium fuel sounds fancy, but it doesn't clean your engine or make a regular car run better. Truth: premium fuel has a higher octane rating, which prevents engine knocking in high-performance engines. But if your car doesn't require premium fuel, you're wasting money. All gasoline, regular, mid-grade, or premium, contains detergents to prevent carbon buildup. If your engine needs cleaning, a professional service is the right fix, not premium gas. Myth number 5. Filling up in the morning saves money. The idea? Cooler fuel equals denser fuel, meaning you get more gas for your money. Reality check: fuel is stored underground, where temperatures stay constant all day. Whether you fill up at sunrise or midnight, the gas is the same. The real way to save? Avoid overfilling your tank and maintain your engine properly. Myth number 4. Running on low fuel damages your engine. Some say driving on an empty tank sucks up dirt and debris, damaging the engine. But here's the truth. Modern fuel pumps draw gasoline from the bottom of the tank, no matter how full it is. If dirt was a real problem, it would clog your fuel system all the time. What's the real risk? Fuel pumps stay cool when submerged in gas. If you always run on empty, you could wear out the fuel pump faster. Don't worry about the dirt, but avoid running your vehicle on fumes to protect the life of your fuel pump. Myth number 3. Big gas stations have better fuel. All gasoline meets the same government standards, whether it's from a major brand or a discount station. The difference? Big brands add detergents and lubricants to keep engines cleaner. But these don't increase fuel efficiency or boost horsepower, they're just for maintenance. Bottom line, gas is gas, your car won't know the difference. Myth number 2. Fuel additives improve gas mileage and performance. Fuel additives claim to boost mileage, clean your engine, and improve power. But in reality, most of them are overhyped. True, if additives really worked, fuel companies would already include them in gasoline. Some, like seafoam, can help clean deposits, but they won't magically boost performance. Proper maintenance is better than additives. Change the oil, use quality gasoline, and replace filters on time. Myth number 1. Turning off your engine at every stop saves gas. This myth comes from the old carburetor days when starting a car burned extra fuel. But modern fuel-injected engines are way more efficient. For short stops, like at traffic lights, shutting off your engine doesn't save much. But for longer stops, like a train crossing, turning it off makes sense. The disadvantage? Constant restarts wear down your starter and ignition switch faster. Do you really want to save fuel? Drive smoothly, avoid sudden braking, and keep up with engine maintenance. Stop wasting fuel, drive smarter. Fuel myths might sound believable, but falling for them is costing you money. Which of these myths surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. Hit like and subscribe for more car saving tips. See you in the next video.